YouTube? It's me again, and I got a messy bench, of course. This time I got lots of eye candy on the bench for you all to look at. I might have an addiction to collecting vices, so yeah. And just to let you know, see this big puppy here? I'm not buying big vices anymore. They take too much space. So, in order to celebrate not buying big vices, I am buying small vices. Everybody has vices, and these are mine. These are my vices. So anyway, to get to the point, I have a few vices here. Big, small, even got scissors. High tech. So anyway, I got a few tiny ones here, tiny vices. In fact, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 little vices. That's it. Just 10. Oh, plus this one. That's 11. And this big one is 12. And the Etta Wilton's 13. And the Wilton on the floor is 14. And the Chaz Parker, 15. And I think there's another one over there somewhere. I don't know. But, and I got the purple record vice. But these are getting a little too heavy, so I'm not going to be buying them anymore. But anyway, I will show you some vices. This, I'll show you one at a time before I put them away. Got this one. That's a nice little bugger. I think I paid like $5 for it. This one I think I already showed you on another video. It's a pretty cool little vice. See if I can get this one. This one is another little one. Pretty neat. Nice, neat little guy. See, they're nice size. I have 2 of these. These little buggers right here. See? Nice little toy here. Vice. That's the first one. This is the one I picked up last week. Same thing. I don't care if they're all the same or all different. I'm buying little vices. They're cheap. They're fun. This one apparently is worth a lot of money. I see them online all the time. This is a Stanley vice, which apparently says Stanley right here. They're pretty cool. I'll do a video showing each one as I take them off here. This is the Starrett vice I already showed you. This one, someone online asked me about. Apparently these ones, I don't know anything about them, but are highly collectible. And somebody's looking for the one that has a jaw that's an inch to their collection. So from what I know, people find the catalog and they just collect everyone in the catalog, which is not really insane, but I guess it is insane. This one I'd like to restore. It's actually it's kind of weird. It's kind of boxy. It's just square pieces, and I don't know. It kind of looks homemade to me, honestly. But it's missing it. This is bent right here. The ball needs a handle, and other than that, it needs a little guard thing here. Just rip it right out, nobody's gonna notice. This one apparently is an, what is it? Acme, what is it? Atoll vice, I think it is. Yeah, no, that's not it. Is this the one? Yeah, this is an older one. It's pretty cool. Apparently they're really old. I think this is like 1909. It's pretty cool. This one I picked up last week, somewhere over the border. This one's pretty cool. A little tiny one. I don't know. I see these for like under $10. I buy them. It's actually been used quite a bit. Some little abrasion marks there. If you don't know what the hell this is, you know, you're not a vice collector. You're not a, what do you call it? A vice connoisseur. These are a Wilton baby bullet. See the tiny little jaws. It's in fabulous green. No, I don't have a power arm for it. I wish, but apparently the little power arm adapter is like ridiculously expensive. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I got this tiny bad boy. Apparently something else fell down. I also have this other one, which I'm working on right here, which this is a work in progress. I'm taking my time. So anyway, I hope you like the vices, just to show you what I got. Where the hell I'm going to put them all? I have no idea. I'll figure it out. Thanks for watching. Hope you like my next video.